Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP plus concatenate function in Excel. Okay, here you will see I have created this table: roll number of the student, first name of the student, last name of the student, their marks, and the status, fail and pass. Okay, now I have created using this concate and VLOOKUP and formula, by which if I enter any roll number here, okay, if I enter 109, you will see the name there, the student's name, marks and status in one cell. Okay, so how to do it? You have to use this concatenate function and VLOOKUP for this. So I'm going to use the same formula. Okay, so whether if I enter any roll number here, that their name, marks and status will appear in one cell. Okay, so how to do it? You have to just click on equals to. Now I am going to do this in formula bar. Okay, because the formula is big, you have to just equals to, then type concatenate. Okay, then VLOOKUP, after bracket open, VLOOKUP, then it is asking for lookup value. So what is lookup value? Lookup value will be this roll number. Okay, this cell, comma, table array. So I have to select the whole table. Now comma, call index number. So first we want name, so the column index number is, first column is roll number, second is name, first name. So I have to just type second 2. Then we want exact max, so you have to select exact. Now bracket close, comma, now we want space between two names, so you have to enter inverted comma, then inverted comma again, now again comma. Now I'm going to just copy this formula. Okay, because formula will be same, only what changes, only the column index number will be changed. So now we will enter, here we have entered 2, we will enter 3 in this formula. Now again comma, inverted comma. Okay, then inverted comma again, then comma, again paste it. Now change only column index number to 4. Okay, now again comma, for space we will enter inverted comma, again comma, then again we will enter the same copy paste formula, just change the column index number. Okay, after that just bracket close. Okay, now enter. So now you will see the formula is applied. Now if I change here anything, okay, you will see I change the roll number to 111 and now you will see name also changed. We will match it Riya Sinha 45 number, pass. Okay, so like this you can use VLOOKUP and concatenate function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.